Hi everyone, and welcome back to another simple WhatsApp tutorial video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can send these circular video messages to a friend, a family member, or a group chat. This is a relatively new feature in WhatsApp, and someone calls them instant video messages. Firstly, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device, and then we can start sending these video messages. I'll open my conversation in which I want to send these messages, and let's start. If you are on your iPhone, then you can skip this step. But if you are an Android user, you have to make sure that you have the little video icon instead of the microphone icon at the right side of your screen. If there is a microphone at the right, simply tap on it one time and it will be changed to a video icon. And when you do have the video icon, we can start sending the message. If you are on Android, you want to long hold on that video icon. But if you are an iPhone user, you want to long hold this little camera icon that's next to the microphone, and it will start a countdown. You can see that we have this little circular video that's recording from the selfie camera, which is cool. Once the camera starts recording, you can slide to the left side to cancel your recording if you don't like it. Or you can slide up to this little lock icon in order to lock your recording and lift up your finger if you have to use it for something else. So I'll lock my recording, and I won't have to hold the camera icon anymore. And WhatsApp will record my instant video message. These recordings can last up to 60 seconds or 1 minute in length, and you can now have fun with your friends or family members. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.